The time has come. What's up, Dex?
Yo, 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 here we be.
Time has come to discuss Bitcoin. We've got some very excited people live with us. They've been waiting while you and I were getting ready. And see, here's some people who really understand. Look at this, Dex. See, Be Good, he understands. Can't wait to hear what our fearless leader has to say. Indeed, my friend.
That's what's up. That's
and
what's
then
up.
Nathan really understands. Nathan gets it. Hold on, my computer's being a little slow. Oh, come on, computer. You and I were sitting here doing nothing, and the computer was fine. All must acknowledge the power. All must acknowledge the power of the pulse waves. I agree, Nathan. And then Kramer, you mustn't stare directly. Indeed. Welcome, everybody. This is Frank and Dex from PulseWave Trading. Thanks for joining us live. We are looking at Bitcoin, and my question for you, Dex, as I pull it up on the screen here, is this: is it possible, my friend? Is this the Bitcoin breakout? And while you think about that, I'm going to encourage our wonderful audience. If you are not a member of PulseWave Trading, my goodness, you've got to head over. The link is in the description for our free trading account, where we do a free price trigger trade of the week every week. And lately, they've been really sick. So get in there. It's the top link in the description. We give you a free price trigger trade of the week. And when I say free trigger, it's not just here's a couple numbers and do this. We walk you through it Sunday evening through Friday morning-ish, sometimes even longer. Every day I show you what a pulse waiver does with those price triggers. And I show you when I update my stops, and I do it in video, and I say, put this here and click that and blah, 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 blah. And you'll love it. It's very easy. You can see how our system works and what it's like to use it every day. So go to pulsewavetrading.com and you'll see the link for our free membership. Better yet, just join now. We've got some amazing deals going on, and you're going to love it. It's like voting for Pedro. You do it and all your wildest dreams come true. It's amazing.
There you go.
Now, that out of the way, very important announcement. Let me get some of this stuff off the screen. Dex, my goodness. We've been looking at this daily Kumo cloud. We spent a lot, if I recall, on our Sunday evening show, we talked a lot about the Kumo cloud this week.
Mm-hmm.
And this is not the algo chart. These are the regular charts. But look at this breakout daily candle. Well, I'm saying a breakout, but that's my my novice eyes saying that. What do you say about this? You like that?
You just put it out there. Basically, it's everything that we have been seeing for a minute now.
Yeah.
The market is doing its own thing, and there's no way to stop it right now. It wants to rally. It wants to go higher. But hey, what do I know?
I want to put your statement to music and just play it over and over again. It's so wonderful. But you know I love Bitcoin.
What do I know?
The only person I know who loves Bitcoin more than me is Kung Fu. Kung Fu would put a ring on Bitcoin and marry it if he could. He loves it.
Well, it's doing exactly what we expected to do, and it is in a bull market right now.
So is this would you classify this? I mean, it's still under the cloud. It's still in the cloud on the weekly.
It is,
but
it is still in the cloud on the weekly. Yes, it is. But the market is bullish. It wants to run. You have bullish momentum staring you right in the face.
Yeah.
So you to pretend like it's not there. Pretend like the market doesn't want to run. Pretend like it's not doing everything that we said it was going to do. You can't do that. You can't get away with that. The market is bullish. Remember the charts that I showed you guys. I showed you the weekly, I showed you the monthly, and I showed you how the markets are trying to accommodate all of the pressure that is out there, and not only just in the economy, but also what's going on within the whole crypto space as a whole. Now, I am prepared now. I know I told you I didn't think I was going to be. But after we finish looking at this live chart, I'm going to show you my algo charts. All right, so
great.
It just so happens that on the weekly here, the weekly chart is pretty much, on par with my algo chart, which is funny. So they're like neck and neck right now, which is great. They look the same. But here's something that's weird, though. The Bitcoin futures chart is bearish. It's in a bear market. It's in a bear market retracement, but it's still in a bear market. Isn't that weird?
That is weird.
Wouldn't you expect the opposite to be true?
Yeah.
But nah, it's not. As a matter of fact, yeah, I know. It's just showing you that sometimes markets will, do something that is unexpected and move in a different way. And that's what we have going on right now. Markets are just deciding that, they want to do what they want to do. They don't want to be told what to do. They don't like manipulation. And so markets tend to do what they want to do. And in this case, the crypto space wants to go higher. Bitcoin wants to go higher. Now, there's a lot of different factors that could be involved in why Bitcoin is going higher. All right, you can quote any geopolitical news story that you wish, but at the end of the day, the market is going to do what the market is going to do, and that's what we see happening right now. So on the weekly, on the algo chart, it's a little bit different on the future side of things than it is on the other charts. So I just think that's funny that the crypto chart looks way more bullish than the futures chart, and it's supposed to be the other way around.
Yeah, it's funny.
But we're not seeing that this go around. We're seeing something totally different. So I will go with the crypto chart over the futures chart, at least for now. So I think we're going to see a lot more breakout. I'll show you guys what I mean.
Yeah,
let me share my screen with you real quick. See what's up so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, let me know when you have visual.
We got it. Looking beautiful.
You got visual? All right. Let's make this a little bit bigger. All right, so on the left-hand side right here, this is the algo crypto chart. On the right-hand side is the algo Bitcoin futures chart. So Bitcoin, crypto, Bitcoin futures. Notice how the crypto is more bullish than the futures. All right, the futures technically is in a bear market retracement. The chart for the Bitcoin crypto is showing basically a stage 1 bull market. Even though you're not outside of this Kumo cloud yet. You're getting there, but you're not out yet. Okay? But you're getting there.
This is daily?
This is a weekly chart.
Oh, weekly. Okay.
It's a weekly chart of the Bitcoin crypto chart, but this is the algo crypto chart. All right. Someone had asked earlier the bottom and top of the cloud.
You're saying that the futures chart is still technically bearish. It's because it's not in the cloud?
No, the futures chart is just bearish, period. Right now, it hasn't worked out enough to catch up to the crypto chart yet.
Okay.
All right, so right now, the top of the Kumo cloud is at 96.12, and the base of the cloud is at 84.81. All right, so that's where we are right now. All right, so I think that 10,000 is going to be the psychological resistance for this going into it right now. So 10,000 is where we're headed based on what I was showing you before with the charts. I'll go ahead and pull up the monthly so you can see the futures and the crypto chart side by side. All right. This is the monthly on the futures. This is the monthly on the crypto chart. They look similar, but they're vastly different.
How so?
Believe it or not, vastly different. Not the same. Not the same at all. So here we go. The futures. Here we go with the crypto sheet. So we are doing much better on the crypto sheet. And right now, we're headed. I think we're definitely going to head north of 15,000. 10,000 is psychological resistance.
CO is way. She's looking for 100,000.
So yeah, we got some work to do to get there. But
you see CO's Christie's comment?
What's that?
100,000.
Yeah, it's gonna get there.
Right,
I don't
she's
know
ready for all of it.
what's the name of the video where we did the long-term analysis on the Bitcoin.
Oh, I don't remember.
It should be on the. It should
Yeah,
still be
it's
up on
around.
YouTube.
Yeah, it's
So
recent, in the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe.
yeah,
Well, maybe
you
longer
should
because of the holiday.
well, find it and link it to this video.
Okay, you got it.
I think it's really 2 videos together. But if you find it, you could link this video to those other videos. You can even make it so that it comes up at the end of the video. You know how those boxes come up sometimes saying, check this video out. You can do that too. I'm just putting all this work on you, I know.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
First stop, folks, psychological resistance, 10,000. That's our first initial target for this current breakout, 10,000.
Right.
Once we get there, we could consolidate there for a minute. I'm expecting that the market will consolidate, build a base. 10,000 should be the new floor. And then once that floor is built, then that should catapult us up to the 15,000 target, which is actually my secondary target. All right, so 15,000 is the secondary target on this current run that we're on right now. All right, 10,000 first, 15,000 second.
Wow. All right, you heard it, folks. Got to ride these pulse waves. Go and get in here. Head over to pulsewavetrading.com. If your eyes have not been opened to the power, then try our PulseWave free membership. You'll love it. And you also get access to our chat room, which is excellent. Lots of other people, like-minded people that you could trade with. It's a great service. All right, Dex, anything you want to add before we wrap it up for the day?
Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.